heart. Love. Love. We're spreading love.
Can draw an American map from I know. What? One of the ones from the U.S. Marine Fleet.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give one more round of applause for the Mike Riley Classic and the UAV Pro for their bride's first ever drone show as we celebrate America's birthday, beginning at the 250th anniversary of our country and Hingham, Massachusetts. Thank you once again, folks. DJChrisPickett.com and on Facebook. Have a safe drive home tonight.